Present simple quiz. Fill in the blanks with the suitable options. Question 1. He to school daily. He goes to school daily. I want to meet him. I don't want to meet him. She sings well. She doesn't sing well. We like coffee. We don't like coffee. Do you play chess? Does he make excuses? She never. She is singular, so we have to use here. She never comes late. Everybody is used as singular, so we have to use here likes. Everybody likes him. Who? With who we don't use auxiliary verbs. Who teaches you? When? It is WH type word, so we have to use here do. When do they come?